For me, it's personal. I have a long military history throughout my family. My dad served in the Army. My father-in-law, Air Force. I have friends in the Navy and the Marines. My grandpa served in the Pacific during World War II. Things like this that honor our military are very personal for me because I lived it. I understand the sacrifice that was made and how much it's not really thought about, how much the sacrifice can be dismissed or overlooked as, well, that's just a job you signed up for. And it's no, it's not a job. It's literally your passion. It is your life. There is a reason why you sign up, and it's not for a job.
Dad was a Polish soldier, and he was with the World War II, and he passed away, and he is an American citizen, but I'm doing it in honor of him.
But he died when my dad was 9 years old. So I never got to meet my grandpa. My dad didn't really know his dad that well. So to get out here with my son and kind of pass that along to him, and it helps me feel connected to my grandpa and our family military history.
Wreaths Across America, founded in I think right around the 2007-2008 time frame. The whole point of that program is what they call honor, teach, remember. So again, we're looking to teach the next generation of people about veterans, individuals that serve, folks that have come before us. So that's really the intent of Wreaths Across America. So we facilitate that through the purchasing of wreaths and then the execution of a wreath laying ceremony done at veteran cemeteries all across the country. What I love about doing this specific program and participating in the ceremony is seeing folks who have not served come out to these events, or children come on out. So there's a couple different ways that people can help. One, you can donate specifically for this event, donate wreaths, right? So usually right around the Thanksgiving time frame, the cemetery gets a link that they will send out to the community where individuals can log on and purchase wreaths. But even beyond that, there's a lot of different ways that individuals within the community can get involved and help. As an example, over the course of a couple days, we'll come on out, we'll cut grass, we'll reline tombstones, we'll do some maintenance and upkeep inside the cemetery. All kinds of different things are the results of volunteers. So that's how people can get involved, and it's really cool at the end of the day to be helping within the community where people have made that ultimate sacrifice.